Next topic, Taylor series expansion of function of two variable. But let f be a function of two variable x and y. So I have to expand this function near to the point a comma b. I can take this f of x comma y, expand this function as an infinite series near to the point a comma b. You remember this formula, f of x comma y equal to f of a comma b plus 1 by 1 factorial x minus a into fx of a comma b plus y minus b into fy of a comma b plus 1 by 2 factorial x minus a the whole squared f xx of a comma b plus 2 times x minus a y minus b f xy of a comma b plus y minus b the whole squared f yy of a comma b, then plus 1 by 3 factorial x minus a the whole cube f xxx of a comma b plus 3 x minus a y minus b the whole square f x yy of a comma b and plus 3 x minus a the whole square y minus b f xxy a comma b plus y minus b the whole cube f yy of a comma b plus etc. Right? So this is a Taylor series expansion of the function f of x comma y up to third degree terms. For question up to second degree terms na idodane stop panikalam. Maximum third degree varaikku unga kepanga. For third degree varaikku nyam vechukka indha formula. Right? When the fx fy nalla enna that is nothing but dou f by dou x. So fx na enna dou f by dou x. Fy அப்படினா dou f by dou y. Fxx which is nothing but dou squared f by dou x squared. Then fxy dou squared f by dou x dou y. Then fyy dou squared f by dou y squared. Then fxxx dou cube f by dou x cube. Then fxxy is nothing but so dou cube f by dou x squared dou y. Then fxyy so dou cube f by dou x dou y squared. Then fyy so dou cube f by dou y cube. For Taylor series expansion கேட்டானா என்ன பண்ணனும் நம்ம up to third order derivative கேட்டிருந்தானா you have to find out all first order derivative, second order and third order derivative, and then you find out substitute this point a comma b in this expressions and then you substitute in this formula, right? So that is a formula for Taylor series expansion of function of two variables, right? You write down this problem now. So expand e power x cos y near the point 1 comma 5 by 4 up to second degree term. So இந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்தாலே that comes under what? The Taylor series expansion. So second degree term மட்டும் தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So we need the first order and the second order derivatives. No need for this third order. Right? இப்போ நம்ம என்னென்னலாம் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? இப்போ dou fx கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். This is you take it as let f equals e power x cos y. இப்போ fx na என்ன சொன்ன dou f by dou x. So differentiate partially with respect to x keeping y as constant. அந்த cos y constant அப்படியே வச்சுக்க e power x differentiate பண்ணினா e power x, right? Next dou f by dou y, dou f by dou y என்னென்ன fy, so differentiate y keeping x as constant. இப்போ e power x வந்து constant, cos y differentiate பண்ணினா minus sin y, right? Next f xx, f xx என்ன dou squared f by dou x squared. இப்போ இதை என்ன பண்ணோம், dou squared f by dou x squared என்ன dou by dou x of dou f by dou x இல்லையா? இப்போ dou by dou x of dou f by dou x e power x cos y. இப்போ again இதை differentiate பண்ணனா தான் வரும், keeping cos y as a constant, so into e power x. Then f xy, so dou squared f by dou x dou y அப்படின்னா dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. And or dou by dou x of minus e power x sin y. So either differentiate with respect to x. So minus sin y is constant. You differentiate e power x, e power x. So these are dou square f xy. Then f xx, sorry yy, f xx கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். f yy எங்கிறது என்னது dou squared f by dou y square. This is nothing but dou by dou y of dou f by dou y இல்லையா? So dou by dou y of, what is dou f by dou y? Minus e power x sin y. You differentiate with respect to y, so minus e power x is constant, so differentiate sin y cos y. So these are the derivatives. Then at the point a comma b, so what will be the point given here? 1 comma pi by 4. So at 1 comma pi by 4 fx வந்து என்னது e power x cos y. You replace this x by 1 and y by pi by 4. So e power 1 cos pi by 4. So e power 1 is e. Then cos pi by 4, cos 45. So 1 by root 2. E by root 2. Next fy and minus e power x sin y. Again you substitute the same point, minus e power 1 sin 45. So sin 45 again 1 by root 2. So minus e by root 2. Next f xx, e power x cos y. So e power 1 cos pi by 4. So is again e by root 2. Next f xy, and minus e power x sin y. Again you substitute the point, so minus e by root 2. Next f yy minus e power x cos y. So minus e power 1 cos pi by 4. That is again minus e by root 2. You substitute these values in this Taylor series, right? Now you write down this formula, and near the point 1 comma 5 by 4, so you take this is a and this is b. So in the formula எழுதுனதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீ எழுதணும், இந்த f of x yங்கிறது என்னது e power x cos y equal f of a comma b. அதானது f இன்னும் கண்டுபிடிக்கலையா? So f equal to another e power x cos y. இப்போ இதுலயே நம்ம சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணனும். இப்போ e power 1 cos pi by 4. So again e by root 2. So f of a comma b அப்படினா f of 1 comma pi by 4. f of 1 comma pi by 4 தான் அது e by root 2. So e by root 2 plus 1 by 1 factorial x minus a வந்து என்னது 1. Yeah, near the point 1 comma pi by 4. So this is a and this is b. fx oda value நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம் e by root 2 then plus y minus pi by 4 fy another minus e by root 2 then plus 1 by 2 factorial x minus 1 the whole square fxx e by root 2 plus 2 times x minus 1 y minus pi by 4 into fxy minus e by root 2 plus at the time y minus b the whole square, so b is pi by 4, so y minus pi by 4 the whole square fyy minus e by root 2 plus etc. இதில் என்ன காமனாக வெளியே எடுத்துடலாம் e by root 2 வெளியே எடுத்துடலாமா take e by root 2 outside so 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial x minus 1 minus y minus pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 factorial இங்கே என்ன வரும் x minus 1 the whole square plus minus 2 into x minus 1 y minus pi by 4 again minus y minus pi by 4 the so this is a Taylor series expansion up to second degree terms, right? So next problem, expand e power x sin y in powers of x and y up to third degree terms. இப்போ இங்கே அந்த பாயிண்ட் எதுவும் கொடுக்கல in terms of x and y ன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. You take it as 0 and 0. So sometimes whenever the series in powers of x and y, we call it as a Maclaurin series. அப்படி கூட கேட்கலாம் sometimes. So you take let f equal e power x sin y. So first up to third degree terms வரை கேட்டிருக்கனால நீ என்ன பண்ணணும் third order derivative வரைக்கும் நீ differentiate பண்ணணும், right? Partial differentiation. இன்னொரு fx differentiate partially with respect to x for e power x sin y. Then fy இன்னொரு e power x அப்படியே வச்சுட்டு sin y differentiate பண்ணினா cos y. Then fxx இப்போ இதை differentiate with respect to x பண்ணணும். fxx அப்படின்னா இந்த x with respect to x பண்ணிக்க இன்னொரு e power x sin y. fxy இந்த y with respect to x பண்ணணும். இப்போ இந்த y with respect to x பண்ணினா வரும் e power x cos y தான், right? Then next fyy y with respect to y, so this is fy again with respect to y minus e power x sin y, right? Then xxx இப்போ xx with respect to x, இப்போ xx இங்கே போட்டிருக்கோம், இதே with respect to x பண்ண என்ன கிடைக்கும் e power x sin y. fxxy இந்த xy with respect to x பண்ண வரும் e power x cos y. Next fxyy இந்த yy இருக்குல்ல இந்த yy with respect to x என்ன வரும் minus e power x sin y. அடுத்து என்னது fyy அப்படின்னா இந்த yy with respect to y with respect to y பண்ணனா வரும் minus e power x cos y. So these are the partial derivatives, right? So at the point, so in powers of x and y சொன்னதுனால you take the point as origin, so 0 0 0. So at 0 0 0 you find out these values, right? So f equal to e power 0 sin 0. So e power 0 1 sin 0 0, so 0. And next fx e power 0 sin 0 again 0. Next fy, so e power 0 cos 0, so 1. Next fxx e power 0 sine 0, so 0. Next f xy, so e power 0 cos 0, so 1. Next f yy equal minus e power 0 sine 0, so 0. Next f xxx, so e power 0 sine 0, so 0. Next f xxy e power 0 cos 0, so e power 0 1 cos 0 1. Next f xyy minus e power 0 sine 0, so 0. F yyyy minus e power 0 cos 0 which is equal to minus 1. இப்போ இந்த பாயிண்ட் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். இப்போ அந்த ஃபார்முலா எழுதணும். ஃபார்முலா என்ன? f of x, y equal f of a, b plus 1 by 1 factorial x minus a into fx of a, b plus y minus b fy of a, b plus 1 by 2 factorial x minus a the whole squared f xx of a, b plus 2 into x minus a f y minus b f xy of a, b plus y minus b the whole square f yy of a, b plus etc. Yeah. இப்போ இந்த பாயிண்ட் a, bங்கிறது 0 0. இப்போ e power x sin y equal to f of 0 0 இதான் என்னது 0 plus 1 by 1 factorial x minus a on the 0, so x fx of a, b 0 plus y minus 0, that is y fy of a, b 1, right? So plus 1 by 2 factorial x squared f xx another 0 plus 2 into x into y into f xy 1 plus y squared into f yy 0. So plus 1 by 3 factorial and now x cube into f xx and another 0 plus 3x squared y into f xxy is 1 and plus 3xy squared into 0 plus y cube into minus 1 plus etc. Simplify it. So there is 1 by 1 factorial into y plus 1 by 2 factorial, so 2xy, right, plus 1 by 3 factorial 3x squared y minus y cube plus etc. So 1 factorial to 1, yeah, so y plus 2 factorial not 2, but 2 cancel iron xy, 3 factorial is 6, so 1 by 6 into 3x squared y minus y cube plus etc. So another Taylor series. So in the problem try பண்ணி பாருங்க. Expand y power x, so near the point 1,1 up to second degree terms. So இதுல point கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 1,1, right? So இங்க என்னது expand log of 1 plus x plus y. இது எல்லாமே என்னது function of two independent variable தான். So always comes under Taylor series, right? So here log of 1 plus x plus y, so in powers of x and y. இங்க point வந்து என்னது 0 0. In powers of x and y na 0 0. So here x squared y cube plus x cube y squared minus 3. So in powers of x minus 1 and y plus 2. அப்போ இங்க point என்ன வரும் 1 comma minus 2. இந்த point 1 comma minus 2 கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு பதிலா இப்படி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. In powers of x minus 1 and y plus 2 like that. Right? You try these three problems.